In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to ungroup objects in Adobe Premiere. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So what you have to do is first, I'm just going to add some random shapes here in Adobe Illustrator. All right, and this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to change the color as well. Press V to select, to grab. I'm going to change the color for this one as well. And color for this one as well. And now you can simply, also if you want to change the color very fast, press F. If you want to change the color of the of an object very fast, what you can do is to actually click right over here, press on your keyboard F6, and if you press F6, it will open this color, this window color, as you can see here, F6. And from here now you can change the colors very fast. But of course, this video is not about changing color fast, but it's about joining. So if you want to ungroup, from first, let's group all the objects. So you have to right click, and here you click on group. All right. And now we grouped all the objects. Now you can select all of them again and select here ungroup, which now will ungroup all the objects. And you also have here the option to join, but you'll receive this arrow. The selected objects cannot be joined as they are invalid objects. And because now, if you in this group that we created, you select, hold Control, and you select all of them, and you click on here, now you can actually collect in a new layer, or you can also select all of them, and here you can click on Locate Object, and you will see this one. That's the one that you located. And now you can also reverse the layers, collect to a new layer, flatten artwork, locate object. All right, and you can also move this here, and now you can select it. You can select 2 or even 3, or even if you hold Shift and then you click here, you'll select all of them with Shift. All right. And if you want more windows, you can also click on color here. If that's what you're looking for, from here you can select even the Pathfinder, which is really great. Because now let's ungroup, and if you position one of them like over each other, now you can create some really interesting paths. For instance, this or this. Sometimes I have to guess with this one with Pathfinder, but you know, usually I use the shape builder. I can not now I can join all of them. Now there's one, but just so you know, from here you can add windows that are missing or that you don't have. So also history, you know, it's pretty great, this one as well. It's really useful actually if you want to undo, but usually what I do is just Control Z or Control Shift Z. That's what really works great. And grouping, it's also great because you'll stay organized, and when you have projects that are really complicated, grouping will really help you and just organize. You'll be able to organize your work, so you'll stay productive. So now a couple of reasons why I think grouping is important. Now, of course, ungrouping sometimes can help because you can do this by mistake. And something you have to remember, you can also group objects by simply clicking Control or Command G, if I'm not mistaken. Control Command G, yes, works. So, or Command or Control plus G to group, and for iMac, for Mac, Alt Command plus G. All right. And also, when you're grouping this, for instance, like you have a couple of objects and shapes, colors, and you have a lot of things in your landscapes in your project. And this will help you a lot with organization, because we'll keep it just keeps everything tiny and easy to handle. If you group objects, you can then move, resize, and turn them all together, which, as I said, will really help you with organization and plus with productivity. And this can also help a lot, like when you create logos and landscapes, and you want your landscape to group, let's say, behind all the house maybe you have in your landscape. You want everything to stay organized and consistent, so they will only move if one object that is part of that group needs to be moved. Otherwise, it will just stay put. And in that example, it's very important that you have, let's say, the landscape, the mountains, the sky, the I don't know, something from behind to stay grouped, and that's named the landscape or behind or something like that. So just so you know, and you also have maybe you'll collaborate with other people in your project, and they will be able to spot or just to know which groups are which. And if they know, if you have everything organized, this will also help you as a graphic designer. So yeah, I think that's the video for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.